The next topic is arranging. Using guides. Guides help in arranging and aligning text and objects on the artboard. When creating a poster or a brochure, we will most likely align objects in an organized manner. Guides make this task easy. To use guides, you must first make the rulers visible on your document. Choose the view, then click the rulers, then click show rulers. Or we can simply do it by clicking Ctrl R. To create a guide, let's do the following. First, with the selection tool, click and drag the ruler on the edge of the page on the artboard. A blue marquee line will appear. Where your guide will go, move the marquee to the position you want and let go the mouse button. After you have created your guides, you can move them because they are locked. To unlock the guide, click View, Guides, choose Guides, then Release Guides. Remember to lock guides again after you have unlocked them, or you might have accidentally select and moved them.